has become possible. Now, talking about gaming, we do, of course, have a Cyberpunk 2077 update. The developers came out and said, hey, look, yeah, you're all talking crap about us. Well, guess what? We sold 13 million copies. No big deal, NBD. So back off. And they claim that the 13 million copy number is actually after, and you were nodding before I even finished that sentence, after all those refunds, which I'm like, wait a minute here. After all the refunds, so most people didn't even try to get a refund. And you were saying previously that upwards of 40% of buyers were on console, and console is supposed to be terrible. So it must mean some people are willing to put up with the terrible experience.
Or maybe just have hope that, it'll get patched up.
They're just waiting.
They can play.
They're just waiting. Yeah, and this brings me back to what I was talking about on a previous episode when Cyberpunk came up, about how by removing it from the PlayStation Store, it's going to make for kind of a grim Christmas morning for some people that would have probably taken it as in its current shape just to have it, because there's really no other Christmas title.
Yeah, Assassin's Creed.
Yeah, Assassin's Creed. I guess you could maybe throw the Miles Morales game for PlayStation in there.
Game.
What's that?
That's a good game.
No, it's a good game, but it's been available for a while.
Yeah.
Although I guess people are getting their PlayStations for Christmas. So, of course, that will be a popular choice as well, and that's fine. And I'm sure Sony doesn't care. They'll sell you Miles Morales. Why not, right? But they're putting this out. They put this out as far as, like, in a statement. Hereby, CDPR hereby announces that based on reports obtained from digital distribution platforms and data collected from physical distributors, it estimates that by 20 September, inclusive, gamers have purchased over 13 million copies of Cyberpunk 2077. So this is a statement they provide to investors to say, it's all good. They say, yeah, we know that the launch was a potato on the certain platforms, like the headline implies here on Kotaku. Say it's a potato.
Delicious.
It's kind of rough as an insult. It's kind of rough for potatoes. Being a potato is always an insult. The camera's a potato. The game is a potato.
Graphics.
Nothing that's good is ever a potato, but yet potatoes can be delicious.
Yeah. It's the shape.
It's a shape, right?
It's weird.
Yeah.
Spud.
I hear you on that. But anyway, so they're saying we're going to keep doing it. We're all right. 13 million copies. I don't know about you, Will. I don't have a calculator in front of me, but 13 million times whatever, $60 a copy.
Cha-ching.
There's a few zeros there. Just a couple of